You don't need messy night crawlers or bait to start catching fish if you're new to fishing. Well, you just want to use atomic teasers or a similar kind of jig. It doesn't necessarily need to be a teaser. I just think these ones are really good. They've worked for me for years and they're tried and true. Little float, that's all you need. It's not messy, you're not poking stuff, like, you know, it's really simple. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Well, and this setup will catch you more than just trout. It's a good crappie getter. I'm a teaser.